Today I'm going to share a simple tutorial on how to add transition to your videos. To add transition and animation to your videos, you can use TikTok edit, CapCut edit, or even your phone edit. I like using my phone edit. It's a choice. You can use TikTok, you can use CapCut. Transition is one of the editing features. It's a visual effect. It helps to connect two clips of videos together. It also helps to add visual interest and engagement on videos. If you're interested to know how to add it, join me and let's go learn. Let's go. I have not added any transition or animation to this video. I'll allow the first clip to play before adding the transition. Let's go. Stop. Now, let's add the transition. Let's go. Click on sound. Click on sound effects. These are the various transitions. I like using the first one. I'll click on add. Then I'll allow the video to play again. Before the next point, I'll add another transition. Let's go. Stop. Yeah, let's add another transition. Now we are going to play before adding animation. Now let's add animation to see the difference. Stop. Click on animation. Allow the video to play. Stop. Let's add animation again. Now let's play the video from the beginning. Wow. I think we've seen the difference. It's more interesting and engaging than before. If you find value on this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also follow this page for more. See you on the next one. Bye.